Forum for Autism is a parent support group to support families of children with autism. It was set up in the year 2002 under the Indian Trust Act 1950 of children with autism. Forum for Autism mainly aims at creating awareness about autism, empowering parents to advocate for rights of persons with autism. Forum for Autism is a parent body which runs two libraries in Kolaba and in Vashi with around 500 books. It also conducts parent training workshops, seminars, and talks. It has a database of parents and professionals and provides sponsorship to unaffording families. Forum for Autism participates in various activities. To name a few are Mumbai Marathon, conducted workshops for parents with young adults, celebration of World Disability Day at Malad Basti, and self-help skill workshop. Since the lockdown, Forum for Autism is continuing its work online. It has been conducting webinars on various topics like preparing to choose the boards, homeschooling, storytelling sessions, setting up presidential setup, to name a few. All the parents who are interested can check those webinars on YouTube. Chef Sanjeev Kapoor and commentator Harsha Bhogle are the cause ambassadors for Forum for Autism. Throughout the lockdown, FFA, that is Forum for Autism, along with ASK, that is Adult Support Kendra, is offering online individual counseling, family counseling, parent support, apart from various other services. To know more about these services, please contact Nicole Kapadia and Suhasini Sundareshan on the numbers mentioned. Join our journey. Be an active part of Forum for Autism. To know more, please call on the phone numbers on your screens. Thank you for your overwhelming response to our webinars. Forum for Autism requests you to donate generously so it helps in our future endeavors. All the donations are eligible for the tax exemption. Please follow us on social media for updates on workshops organized by Forum for Autism. Please follow our Facebook page, Forum for Autism. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.forumforautism.org.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Autism Katta. Today, we have two parents with us, Nehal's parents, Seema and Anupam Tiwari. Welcome, Seema and Anupam.
Hi.
And today they're going to take us through their journey of how they brought up Nehal and their daughter, Vedika. Nehal is a 22-year-old adult who has currently finished her graduation and is now working in a multinational company. Okay, so Anupam and Seema, let's take it, are going to take us through their journey. So tell me, Anupam and Seema, how was your life before you all moved to Mumbai? And where did you all spend your life before coming to Mumbai?
Hello everyone. Hi Babis.
Hi.
We were at Indore when Nehal was born, which is in Madhya Pradesh. Then we shifted to Mumbai, and fortunately for us, Nehal was detected here as because in a place like Indore, which and that time awareness about autism was not that much. So we were treated as overcaring parents, and you care too much about your daughter. She'll speak maybe a little late. So it was basically a lack of awareness. And then in meanwhile, I got transferred to Mumbai, and fortunately, Seema also came to Mumbai. She also got transferred. And then when we came to Mumbai, she was detected with PDD, which is a form of, which is a kind of autism, pervasive developmental disorder. After that, we started with therapies. Seema, you'd like to add?
But before we came to Mumbai, actually we lost around 1.5 years because she was not detected, and we were all like first child, all maza maza kind of time. So we were also spending time with together, like together we were spending time, not with the child. अब लगता है कि अगर उस 1.5 साल में भी हमने काम कर लिया होता या नेहल का अर्ली डिटेक्शन हो गया होता तो शायद और जल्दी हमको ब्रेक थ्रू मिलता, हमारी प्रोग्रेस की जर्नी और जल्दी स्टार्ट होती, क्योंकि शी वाज अराउंड 2 व्हेन डॉक्टर विभा कृष्णमूर्ति डिटेक्टेड, एंड बिफोर दैट वी वर लाइक बिंदास पेरेंट्स, कोई मतलब नहीं है, बच्चा नहीं ध्यान दे रहा है, कुछ शी वाज फर्स्ट चाइल्ड तो कोई पता भी नहीं था, नॉलेज भी नहीं था, तो शी वो नहीं रिस्पॉन्ड कर रही है तो ओके शी इज नॉट क्राइंग, शी इज फाइन, शी इज हैप्पी चाइल्ड, ठीक है बोलेगी, थोड़े दिन में बोलेगी. So like that we lost 1.5 years.
Actually, sometimes what happens, Seema, like even if we get detected earlier, it takes the parents time to accept it, you know, sometimes. So that's how we don't know. Like even though my child was detected at 1.5, but you know, initially, like when you're given examples, saying, "Arey, but our child doesn't fit." It's just because it's a spectrum. We don't realize as to who is who some big, I mean, we were given the option that the child may never talk and may never go to school. That was an option, you know. We didn't know whether the therapy will work, but we have to work on it. So I think that's the way we go about it. Anyway, so after she was detected, how did you all go about with the therapies and all? I mean, it must be tough for you all since both of you all are working parents as such. How did you all manage that?
When she was detected, so we started therapy immediately because
Okay.
Dr. Vibha Krishnamurthy guided us. We started with occupational therapy what's the hospital name? This now it is HN. That was HN hospital that time, and we started with the speech therapy. That was more of speech come behavioral therapy. And that time, our therapist used to give us home programs. So religiously, we followed those home programs, and like we both are working, so we have divided our duties, like tasks also, and some tasks were common, like जो अनुपम और हम मिलके करते थे नेहन के साथ में. Otherwise, बिल्कुल डिफाइंड हमने टास्क बनाए थे, एंड एवरी डे उसके बाद से हमें याद नहीं है कि कोई भी दिन ऐसा था कि हमने नेहल के साथ कुछ वर्क नहीं किया, लेट इट बी इंडोर, लेट इट बी आउटडोर, जहाँ जहाँ हम लोग गए हैं उसको साथ में लेके गए. ऑल द थेरेपीज लाइक ऑक्यूपेशन थेरेपी हेल्प, behavioral therapy help, parents help, so everything. मतलब फिर उसके बाद का हर पल was for नेहल कि ना उसको आगे ले जाना है, ना उसको आगे ले जाना है.
I would like to add one
Yeah.
more thing. When Nehal was detected, the availability of literature was in hard. It was hard copies. So Seema basically took that onus of going through a lot of books. She has read a lot of books. I somehow didn't have that kind of patience. So Seema had read a lot of books, and that time now when we look back, we realize that. It was good that information was not there that time, because maybe we might have got a little bit disheartened as to what there was a lot of uncertainty that time. So
Correct.
actually, a lack of awareness prompted us to start working the day we came to know, and as we progressed, we came to know a lot of difficulties. But since we started, when we came to know, it was like a kind of a blessing in disguise that we were not aware about what kind of things can happen.
पर डरे नहीं हम.
So we didn't
Okay.
we actually didn't we because of we were not aware, we actually didn't feel anything this thing.
Yeah.
And Nehal was a lovely child.
Yeah.
She that time
is.
she was a very innocent small child, and like a flower. So it gave lot lot of hope for us. Ki maybe one day we'll be able to do justice to what lies ahead for her. So it happens now. At least the younger generation, which the parents of children who are getting diagnosed have lot of information. A lot of resources are there. Lot of information on net is there. Now FFA is also much more structured. Lot of support available. That time also, that was the only place we could actually go to,
Yeah,
because we didn't know anyone. We were new to Mumbai. So FFA, that was really kudos to FFA, that whatever we could do is because of
all
FFA.
the libraries, I read so many books from the library, and as a parent group, that was like some uh, there were fixations with the Nehal. तो फोन करके पूछा अब क्या करें, तो पता लगता था कि दूसरे पेरेंट्स जिनके बच्चे लगभग नेहल के बराबर ही थे उस समय, तो वी वर ऑन द सेम बोट, तो उतना डर नहीं लगता था, नहीं तो वी कैन से बेसिकली टूटते नहीं थे कि नहीं नहीं वो कर रहे हैं हम भी कर लेंगे, विल बी एबल टू डू, विल बी एबल टू मैनेज। लाइब्रेरी हेल्प मी अ लॉट, क्योंकि आप इंटरनेट से कुछ भी पढ़ो, पर जो बुक से आपको स्ट्रक्चर्ड इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है इंटरनेट में, एज सून एज यू सी द ब्लू वर्ड यू क्लिक ऑन इट एंड देन यू मूव अहेड, यू लूज द लिंक। But in case of book, the information, the flow is so structured that it helps. Actually helps.
Actually, that's true, because parent to parent talk, you really get to know and you get to learn from another parent. Okay, it have helped her. Maybe it might help. It may not. Who knows? But somewhere or the other, we do connect on those lines as such. I know both of you all have maintained a diary about Neha's milestone. Tell us about it. I'm sure the therapist have told me that Anupam is meticulously write each and everything. Both of you all have done that. Just tell us, how did you all go? Was it an effort, real effort you put in, or it was just a flow that it came that you have to write everything about Nehal daily?
We maintain diaries because at times it used to happen that we after we interacted with parents, we came to know a lot of ideas. Something clicked for us, and there were so many things happening apart from therapies, home programs. So many things were happening. So we actually made a diary, keeping in view the fact that we should not lose track of anything which comes to our mind,
Like
whatever.
Encyclopedia for us.
Yeah, whatever
Good.
slightest of ideas, slightest of guidance of any parent. It was like jotting down each and everything, and we still do that. The diary is still there, and we, whatever comes to our mind, still also we can do this, we need to do that. We keep on noting down in the diary.
And what happens when you're working? So for some time, your child is not with you. उस समय दिमाग ज़्यादा चलता है, उस समय you get new ideas, like ऑफिस पे बैठे कुछ आइडिया आया, तो we used to write in a small पर्ची and then you used to copy in that diary, क्योंकि बाद में तो फिर वो भूल जाते हैं. And अभी भी we keep on writing. Even now Nehal writes because of us. She also got in habit of writing diary. So what happened initially? She used to write like what happened, and now like what happened throughout the day. If there is some special day, she used to write, and now it has taken a new shape. Now it's stress buster. She keeps on repeating something if she is under stress, and then we say no, now I don't want to listen. Then she'll write in diary and bring it to me, and it calms her down. Like 4 lines she will write, I'll not do this, and this was not correct, my behavior was not appropriate, I'll try not to do this. And then those 4 lines, otherwise वो उसको कम से कम 100 times repeat करती है मुझे. But वो लिख के ले आती है, तो it's like a hard copy for her कि yeah, now I don't want any soft copy, hard copy हो गई, I am not going to repeat it again. So वो अभी भी every जब भी उसको stress है उसकी डायरी में आएगा. एंड हैप्पीनेस आल्सो, कुछ भी हैप्पी इवेंट होगा तो वो उसमें उसके 5-6 लाइन हर डायरी इज सच जब उसको पढ़ते हैं कभी अच्छे मूड में तो रोना जाता है. मतलब लगता है कि बच्चा इज एक्सप्रेसिंग हर इन दैट डायरी.
Great, that's a great thing. Actually, our association started when both our children started going to school together, and we've come a long way. When we were first, actually that time we didn't know, first to get into a mainstream school in South Mumbai was a big challenge that we faced. And having got into the school, we were told that we have to keep special teachers for them. Apart from the, I mean, the fact that the school was very cooperative with us, and they had two teachers in the same classroom, and the classroom strength was only 25 in the kindergarten, but still we had to have a shadow teacher. What are your views on shadow teachers as such? And what would you tell parents who are today, I guess it's become very common and compulsory to have a shadow teacher?
No, maybe for this, I just want to like थोड़ा back जाते हैं before GD Somani. So when Nehal was like enrolled to a kindergarten, so
Yeah.
there the kindergarten was like at Prabha Devi, and they were like affiliated to some big school, renowned school there. तो उनका बड़ा reputation था. And there they kept Nehal. Nehal घर आए तो her hand was little sticky. Second day also I saw the hands were little sticky. Then मैंने पूछा तो she was non-verbal that time. So then पता लगा किसी बच्चे से कि every day they are making her to sit at one place by sticking her hand, like tape से बांध के उसको बिठा देते थे. The second day I discontinued that school. Then we enrolled her to a small, very garage type playgroup, and she was very fine. So my one message to the new parents are कि नाम पे मत जाओ. Even a very small school, very small setup can help our child. It helped Neha like anything. There was very few kids in that small garage school, and it was playgroup and nursery. And उस समय से नेहल का स्कूल से डर निकल गया. And then we enrolled her for the KG1 to one more school, and that school मुझे लगता है हमारी जिंदगी का सबसे खराब साल था. वो स्कूल में everyday humiliation हुआ नेहल का. Everyday हम लोग का humiliation हुआ. Nehal was like quite okay with the study, like rather she was ahead of kids of her class at that level in the junior KG, because she was writing and everything. So they were not giving her opportunity, and they were thinking that Nehal is indisciplined. We gave them so many books, so many articles, but those teachers were not ready to read or study. The awareness was not there that time. So then finally we got this at GT Somani, and that was like done with. So kind of thing. So in GT Somani, so I will come now to shadow teacher thing. So for initial for KG2, then first and I think second up to second standard, only for 2 years.
No. Higher KG at first, yeah.
Yeah, first they insisted for shadow teacher, and the shadow teacher had Nehal. She had Nehal to sit at one place. She made Nehal a part of class. But the school was nice enough to guide shadow teacher to remain a shadow teacher, not to take the main role of the teacher. So she was always like, she was not there to solve everything for the Nehal. नेहल यूज टू डू ऑन हर ओन. जब वो क्लास से भाग गई तो शेडो टीचर पीछे भागती थी उसको लेके आने के लिए, क्योंकि वो अपना काम फिनिश करके भाग जाते थे क्लास में से. तो उस समय पर ऐसा नहीं कि अगर कुछ कॉपी करना है तो शी यूज्ड टू ओनली प्रॉम्प्ट नेहल स्टार्ट ओनली दिस मंथ. इट वाज नॉट दैट कि वो उसके नोट्स कॉपी करके दे रही है. एंड स्लोली उसने खुद को नेहल से डिटैच कर लिया. सो इन द बाय द एंड ऑफ सेकंड ईयर, even the other kids used to think that she is one extra teacher in the class. They were not knowing that she was a shadow teacher for the Nehal. And after that, the school itself told that we don't require shadow teacher, we will manage, because there were 2 teachers in the class. So they managed. And उस समय भी ऐसा नहीं था कि नेहल क्लास से भागते नहीं थे, वो भागते थे. टीचर्स और दूसरे बच्चे उसको लेके आते थे. But she was doing her job, and we were not very much pushy for the teachers. हम घर पे उसके साथ पूरी मेहनत करते थे, उसकी पूरी स्टडीज, उसके पूरे नोट्स, उसको क्लास में अपडेटेड रखते थे. तो टीचर्स पे प्रेशर नहीं था नेहल की तरफ से, हमारी तरफ से एक्स्ट्रा प्रेशर. सो दे वर फाइन विद इट. अगर हम कभी टीचर्स से टू डिमांडिंग हो जाते हैं, because no teacher in an inclusive setup is going to give any extra time to our kid. Be very clear on that front. कभी भी वो extra time हमारे बच्चों को नहीं, extra effort नहीं देंगे. So they are not getting paid extra for our kids ना, हमको समझना चाहिए. And ये हमारी जो भी कहें, but हमारी मजबूरी है और हमारी खुशकिस्मती है कि हमारा बच्चा इंक्लूसिव स्कूल में एडमिशन पा लिया है। नहीं पाया होता तो हम परेशान हो रहे होते। सो वी शुड बी लाइक लिटिल कंसिडरेट। होता है, मतलब टीचर्स को भी
True.
गुस्सा आता है
Yes.
एंड हमारे किड्स उन्हें इरिटेट करते हैं।
Yes.
One thing which I would like to add here is uh, uh, we didn't push the teachers, but we kept a follow up as to what they need us to do to make their life easier.
Very
That was that was something which we maintained from the day one. We always used to go and not ask how Nehal is doing. We used to ask them ki what we can do so that Nehal is better and you also finally get time for each and everyone. It should not be as if you are lot of time you
our
are
child should
spending.
not be a burden on them.
Yeah. So
Exactly.
that is how
And
that
basically the school, what school did, वो स्कूल प्रिंसिपल ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएटेड नेहा's efforts, तो टीचर्स के efforts भी अप्रिशिएट हो जाते थे उसके चलते। तो उनको भी बड़ा मतलब अच्छा फील होता था कि हाँ नेहल इज डूइंग फाइन, तो उसके क्लास टीचर्स के efforts भी इवन ड्यूरिंग लाइक assembly sometimes even the principal praised key teachers are doing very good with the special kids, and that helped us. That positive mahal of the school helped our kids.
Yes, definitely. I think interactions, parents should have regular interactions with the teachers as to how they can help them, you know. I mean, finally, the teacher, how long can she be with one child? She has to look after the rest of them also. She has to give equal attention to them. And if you want to wean away your child from a shadow teacher, definitely an interaction with the teachers is a must, I think. Anyway, and after, I mean, since the primary school which we had in GD Somani was 2 teachers and a playway method with no examinations, how did the shift to the senior school help you all, in the sense, how did she manage to go with the examination point, and how did you all go about doing that then when she went to the senior school?
uh, it was Nehal was an obedient child. So
Okay.
when this exam setup came, so we basically worked at home also to make her realize the exam settings and all. So actually, we forgot that means ki it was not that difficult for us.
Okay.
So yeah, she started sitting for quite some time in school. Also at home, we used to do therapy. So she has developed that patience on her own to
Okay.
sit at one place for quite some time. And that time, that one thing which I would like to add here is that time we used to be very, we used to have tangible uh,
Rewards.
motivation rewards for her. Ki if she does this, she is going to get this. There are few things which Nehal used to like a lot. So it was a kind of tangible motivation, reward, chocolates and some popcorns and stuff like that. So initially, we started with that, and later on, when she started performing consistently, it became more of intangible thing like stars on hand or star in a
Smileys.
notebook or smileys kind of thing. So it was not that much challenging for Nehal, and I believe so. What parents now can do is when they, if they can maybe work a little bit on increasing the sitting span of a child, because finally once he or she gets to give examinations, that is one thing which is required. So, and initially the exams are not that too long, 2 hours and all. It's hardly half an hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour. So, with the continued therapy, I think that that's span, attention span, sitting span of kids can increase. You want to add?
What we did, we there was a tuition teacher, and after coming from office, हम लोग का पूरा समय पढ़ाने में ही जाता था. For so many years मैंने चाय उसके साथ ही पी है ऑफिस से लौट के. So मैंने और अनुपम ने सब्जेक्ट्स डिवाइड कर लिए थे. तो लाइक अनुपम इज वेरी गुड, जो रटने वाले सब्जेक्ट है ना, रट्टा मारना. So वो उसको कुछ भी रटा सकता है. So he took like Hindi because Hindi was really tough for her, really tough for her. So I took other science subjects, and she used to love maths a lot. So we worked बोलते ना कि ड्यूटीज बांट के कि अभी तुम एंड सारे नोट्स बना के फॉर एवरी सब्जेक्ट हमारे पैरेलल नोट्स होते थे, पैरेलल बुक्स होते थे। जो वो बुक स्कूल लेके जाती थी सेम बुक मेरे पास होती थी, तो अगर ऑफिस में लंच ब्रेक है या मैं सुबह घर में हूँ तो मैं उसको पढ़ के उसके पूरे नोट्स हमारे पैरेलल होते थे। स्कूल के नोट्स पे हम नहीं डिपेंड करते थे क्योंकि वो डिफिकल्ट होते हैं। एंड आई नेवर थॉट कि मेरे बच्चे को 90% आने हैं। हमारा डेटम हमने उतना ही रखा जितना वो अचीव कर सकती है, उसको प्रेशराइज नहीं करना था। ऑल्दो इतना करने पे भी बच्चा बहुत प्रेशराइज होता है, उसके लिए ये बहुत टफ होता है, बहुत टफ था
Yes.
नेहा। एग्जाम के पास टाइम टेबल आने पे उसके टेंट्रम चालू हो जाते थे। वो आई कैंट कॉल इट टेंट्रम, उसका एंजाइटी,
Stress and anxiety
स्ट्रेस
basically.
Exactly.
एंड उसको लगता था कि उसको परफॉर्म करना है क्योंकि उस चीज में वो हमेशा से उसका लकीली रहा कि शी वांट्स टू डू, शी हारती नहीं है, वो उसको करना है। तो उस ज़ील से वो बच्चा मेहनत करता रहा। एंड जस्ट नाउ आई गॉट वन क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग आई कॉन्टैक्ट। सो वी फॉर नेहर आई कॉन्टैक्ट वाज अ प्रॉब्लम, बट उसी समय हमें बता दिया था कि डोंट प्रेशराइज योर चाइल्ड टू गिव आई कांटेक्ट, बिकॉज धीरे धीरे ये अपने आप बढ़ता जाएगा। एंड एज सुन एज हम उसको प्रेशराइज करके उसको उसको कॉन्शियस करते हैं तो वो उसके लिए प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है। जब तक हम उसको कॉन्शियस नहीं कर रहे हैं आई कांटेक्ट के लिए, तो वो विद टाइम दैट आई कांटेक्ट इम्प्रूव्स। मतलब नेहल के साथ हो गया ऐसा मुझे लगता है कि बात, क्योंकि फर्स्ट वी ट्राइड कि हमारी तरफ देखो, लुक एट मी, टॉक टू मी, मुझे मुझे देख के बात करो। एंड देन वी रियलाइज कि नो, दिस इज नॉट वर्किंग, इट इज इंक्रीजिंग हर एंजाइटी एंड इट इज मेकिंग हर कॉन्शियस। जब वो मेरी तरफ देख रही है तो बात नहीं कर पा रही है, और जब बात कर रही है तो मेरी तरफ देख नहीं रही, तो मुझे क्या चाहिए, बात करना ना, तो लेट हर टॉक।
Correct.
And I want to add one more thing here. Ki, initially, eye contact is something which basically we should not focus. There are more important things which needs to be important things which need to be focused on at that time. One more thing which I would like to add here to the parents who are there, adding on to what Seema said, ki, at that time when the child is in lower KG, higher KG, first, second standard, we should set very short-term goals. We should not think
Exactly.
beyond ki what will happen when she goes to 10th and 12th and college and job and all those things. The things are, even if somebody talks to us at this moment when we know so many things, ki what will happen after 5 years, we are not aware what is going to happen. So with our child, we should be more considerate. We should be more, more,
Realistic.
yeah, realistic, more conscious to the fact that let us have very short term goals, 1 year at a time.
Exactly.
Let us see what happens, go on building, and the things keep on improving. The first and foremost is key, you should be clear, both parents, it's not one parent. Naturally one has to take a lead, because it doesn't happen both have equal kind of zeal. In our case it was Seema who took the lead, but then we need to contribute equally. And
Right.
when we both the parents are working, then it becomes that much more important for both the parents to be equally involved. As
Right.
Seema said, segregation of areas is one thing which needs to be very good, because there can be little overlaps, but when it comes to studies and all those things which are more structured, we need to have a definite demarcation, so that it doesn't happen कि one parent gets burned out and the other is not able to contribute.
एंड सेकेंडली ना व्हाट आई हैव सीन कि जब एक ही पेरेंट काम कर रहा होता है तो वो फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाता है, क्योंकि एवरी डे तो एक सा नहीं होता है। फॉर अस 75% डेज नेगेटिव होते हैं एंड 25% डेज पॉजिटिव होते हैं। तो अगर 75% डेज में वो शुरू के मतलब तो जब भी अपनी स्ट्रगल चालू होती है, तो 75% डेज में अगर एक ही पेरेंट लगा है और वो बर्न आउट हो गया, and these kids are so good in sensing our energy. आप मैंने भले एवरी ऑटिस्टिक किड इज डिफरेंट, बट This part is common. They are very good in sensing our energy. किसी की भी energy होगी अगर positive है तो they will know. और अगर negative हो गई तो वो frustrate हो जाते हैं. And unluckily होता क्या है with Nehal and maybe with other kids, हम लोगों ने उनके साथ इतना struggle किया है कि now every time कभी भी कुछ होता है आज की डेट में भी अगर मैं upset हूँ किसी एक्स वाई जेड के कारण से भी तो भी वो उसको शी थिंक्स कि मैं उसके कारण शी विल से आई हैव नॉट डन एनीथिंग व्हाई यू आर सैड. तो वो कई सालों से हम उसको समझा रहे हैं कि बेटा बहुत सारी चीजें हैं लाइफ में जो मुझे सैड कर सकती हैं. इट्स नॉट यू, यू आर नॉट मेकिंग मी सैड एट ऑल. बट वो जो गिल्ट है हमारे बच्चों के अंदर से कि वी आर ट्रबलिंग अवर पेरेंट्स या हमारे पेरेंट्स, होता है ना, हम भी कभी रोते थे जब वो कुछ करते थे एंड देन वो उनको याद है. दे कैन टेल द डेट्स कि कब उन्होंने आपको रुलाया था. आपको लग रहा है आपका बच्चा नॉन वर्बल है पर वो भूला नहीं है. सो वो एक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी तभी होती है जब वर्क डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो. एक आदमी को भेज नहीं सकते आप.
True. Absolutely. I think even fathers need to be as involved. Both the parents, why only the father or the mother? It should be both the parents who should be equally involved in bringing up the child and to be aware of their progress also. It should not be that the father is not aware which class he is or what is the child doing. Basically, doesn't happen in autistic children because the fathers are definitely involved. But I think they should get more involved if at all, if they are not. Sometimes they don't have time for it, but yes, they do get involved. And another point which was very nice that you stressed upon, that yeah, visual learning and all, and you should not force your child for eye contact. They are visual learners and they are auditory learners too. And it happens sometimes. I mean, this was told to me by my teacher. It doesn't matter if you feel that your child is not looking at you, but yes, he's listening. So you keep your chatter on and keep talking to your child because he's picking up. And that's how she did realize it, that it is okay. I mean, none of them answered, and it was this guy who answered the question which she asked at one point of time. So that means he is learning up and he's picking up. So you continue. You may feel he's looking elsewhere and not looking at you and not understanding, but actually your child is. That's a very good point. Tell us something about the concessions you got for the 12th standard CBSE. You all were the first ones who actually went about getting the concession, and today I think the concessions are there because you all took the initiative about it.
When like for up to 10 she was in ICSE, but for 11th and 12th we enrolled her to CBSE school. So there we came to know that for like she can drop Hindi. On the Hindi was not there. Hindi was
ninth,
not there.
ninth in
Yeah,
ICSE.
she was given only extra time. Only one concession was given to her. That was extra time. And we were asking for, she was a science student, so we were asking for calculator also because in ICSE calculator was allowed. But then they rejected our case, so I pursued. I kept on calling their CBSE headquarters, nothing happened. So,
I would like to add one thing. Seema personally went to Delhi and met the chairman of CBSE, and it was one-to-one meeting where it was not like that we have only sent letters or follow-ups with the down level people. She has gone and met the chairman CBSE for exemptions for calculator.
And his response was कि कोई और केस हो इसके पहले हुआ हो तो बताओ, I will definitely give to your child. मैंने कहा let her be the first case because it's allowed in ICSE, it's allowed in IB, it's allowed in Maharashtra board. Why can't CBSE allow it? So he said no, मुझे कोई केस दिखाइए, we will allow. Otherwise I can't do anything. Then Anupam sent one a question through Rajya Sabha because Rajya Sabha mein you can raise questions. So the question was raised in the Rajya Sabha and the same was passed down to CPSC when other boards are aligned. And my point was like I have given all the circulars, everything from other boards also. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि उनके लिए ये कुछ नया था. So then through Rajya Sabha also question went to CPSC. Then they started the process, but CBSE is a big board and they took around 2 years to get the thing approved. तब तक नेहल तो second year में आ गए थे. She cleared her 12th without calculator maths. But now those relaxations are there. So I can say मैंने कुछ नहीं तो 1000 calls किए होंगे. I personally visited Delhi. अनुपम ने राज्यसभा और यहाँ वहाँ मतलब we managed. बहुत मेहनत की. ठीक है नेहल को नहीं मिला पर now it's there for other kids. Now CBSE allows calculator for kids in the spectrum. और उसके बाद उन्होंने they have revised their concession letter also. So उसमें कुछ और भी include किया है and हुआ. चल finally.
Yes, it's a very sad situation when parents are asked to give, we are supposed to give a proof as to the same concession has been given earlier. I think the board should consider on case-to-case basis because each child is different. Some child may require all concessions, some may require just one, and that might be different from what is actually given. So I think that's a very valid point that actually even the boards should consider everything on a case-to-case basis. Another thing is when she started going to for her junior college, you all made her independent because she wanted to travel by the public transport. Tell us something about that.
When she got admission in Gopi Birla School, which is a CBSE school, 11-12. So that time we not only Nehal, we actually started with Nehal and Vedika crossing main roads. How to cross, what to do. We used to stand, and then they used to look on both the sides as to how they need to cross. So that was our first point. Then
that day the people on the road thought ये family crazy हो गई है. हमने 50-60 बार वो डबल लेन की रोड क्रॉस की दोनों बच्चों के साथ में just to make them confident कि पहला step for using any bus is to cross road independently. And then
so that is how we started. After that we are made went once or twice with for few times with 7 days she went with Nehal. So Nehal actually picks up things very fast when it comes to any activity rather than pure communication and theory. She picks up things very fast. So she basically got a hang out of it as to how she has to do. And the best part was ki when she used to come back, she has to change a bus. There is no bus from Malwa Hill to Kafkare directly. So she used to change bus in between, leave one bus, take another bus, and come. So our maid was a great help in making her actually realize as to what she's supposed to do, and very small finer points like where the bag has to be kept. As soon as she takes the bus, then she has to call mama. We have prepared her in case if the bus breaks down, then what is she supposed to do?
So that was a very important point. Like one day I thought कि अगर बस बीच में खराब हो गई and किसी ने बोला कि come we are going to Kafred, come with us in the taxi. Nehal can go and that is very risky. So then we taught her कि अगर कभी बस ब्रेक डाउन हो जाए या कभी यहाँ पे आज़ाद मैदान में मोर्चा है and बस में वो उतार देते हैं एकाएक लोगों को. So then you need to stand there only जहाँ भी खड़े हो and from there you call us. Somehow we will arrange कि तुम्हें वहाँ से हम pick करवाएं. Never ever go with anybody. So very finer points. Like secondly, तुम्हारा कभी किसी ने मोबाइल चुरा लिया बस में, then don't get hyper. कुछ नहीं होता है. Don't get worried. Just come home. And अगर तुम by chance तुम अपने bus stop पे नहीं उतर पाई, तो once she did, ये point हमने miss किया था, and she jumped from the bus. क्योंकि वो बस स्टॉप पे रोका नहीं, लोग बहुत करते हैं, and then she jumped from the running bus. She got hurt. And तब we explained, हम उसको आगे के बस स्टॉप पे लेके गए कि अगर तुम अपने बस स्टॉप पे नहीं उतर पा रही हो तो तुम इस बस स्टॉप पे उतरो. तुम वहां से घर आने का रास्ता समझाया. एंड ये रूल था कि उसको बस में बैठते ही मुझे फोन करना है कि आई टूक दिस बस नंबर इतने बजे वाली. तो मुझे वो ट्रैक रहता था. एंड उसके लिए भी ये है कि इफ मम्मा का नंबर नहीं लग रहा है, कॉल पापा. पापा का नंबर नहीं लग रहा है, कॉल एक्स पर्सन. देयर इज अ कंप्लीट लिस्ट, ताकि ऐसा नहीं कि बच्चा मम्मा का नंबर नहीं लगा तो हाइपर हो जाए, घबरा जाते हैं।
Right.
तो वो चीज नहीं होना चाहिए। उसके लिए बैकअप प्लान हर एक चीज के लिए, कि अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो ये नहीं हुआ तो ये। अगर टिकट नहीं खरीद पाए तो आपको क्या करना है? अगर कंडक्टर आपसे दूर निकल गया तो अब मैंने कहा चिल्लाने लगो तुम अपनी जगह बैठ के, यू जस्ट शाउट। लोग क्या सोचेंगे कि ज्यादा ही टिकट चाहिए, बट यू शाउट। बट ऐसा नहीं करो कि तुमने टिकट नहीं खरीदा है एंड कहीं पे तुम पकड़ में आ जाओ। एंड नेहल इज माइदर ऑल्सो। हाँ, वो अगर उसको लगेगा कि बिना टिकट से काम चलेगा तो शी विल नेवर बाय। तो वो सब छोटे छोटे पॉइंट्स भी covered, and she managed for 2 years, like 11th 12th, and for college also she managed coming by bus.
Yeah, these our kids are really smart in that extent. I know my own child used to carry a bus pass, and one day he forgot. Luckily, I was there in the bus, and he quietly takes out his wallet because he's observed other people showing their wallet. I mean, pretending to have a pass inside, and I was surprised. Why is he taking out his wallet? So I guess our kids are really smart to that extent, and they can get away with it at times. That was a great thing. I mean, it's good to make a child definitely independent, and we are lucky. Like in South Mumbai, we are the starting point, so our children can get into an empty bus compared to wait for a bus which is very crowded, and that's when they can have a chance of their mobiles being flicked or even their wallets being taken away. Um, After completing 12th, you all shifted to a college, a mainstream college. How was the shift from the school to the college?
It was like it was something which we never imagined actually. Uh, Xavier's the year Nehal got admission was the year of they have celebrated that year as year for inclusive education. So
Okay.
that was something which we never thought of, and college was like a place where like it's an achievement for us to get admission in a prestigious institute like Xavier's, and
Right.
they are so good, they are so
It's a
sensible.
dream come true college.
It is really a dream come true college. They are so sensible, they are so good. Whatever we asked for, we got more than that. They have specialized cell which looks after kids with special needs. That is known as XRCVC. It was basically started for visually challenged people, but then now they take care of all the disabilities, and they are very forthcoming. Uh, they whatever concessions, calculator, extra time, everything was there. Apart from that, initially we were fine. Nehal, we thought it will be difficult for her to make notes because in college it's that personal attention is not there,
notes, and it's running notes.
and it's running notes. So they even gave permission to record the lectures through in a recorder. So all those things were there. But then Nehal was able to make notes properly, and she, like us, she doesn't have inhibitions. So she used to, whenever she used to find difficulty, she used to stand up and ask, or she used to say, "Ki ma'am, I could not get it," or "Sir, I could not get it. Please explain it again. I
Okay.
want to note down." And the teachers were aware. So
And they are having festivals like Antar Chakshu, where is basically for
people with visual.
people with disability. So there
Okay.
are so many students participate, and they become aware of all the disabilities. They are more considerate. There, first time I've seen कि जो visually challenged students हैं, वो इतने आराम से वो participate करते हैं हर चीज में, जैसे कि कोई है ही नहीं. मतलब it's a fine world for them, perfect world for them there. And secondly, the teachers are also aware, and the principal. It's like on the whole very positive mahal. And plus we were very open with the teachers कि आपको कुछ भी है. And by that time WhatsApp became very popular, so the teachers were communicating to us, and even we were communicating to teachers whenever required through WhatsApp. And secondly, WhatsApp helped Nehal a lot. She used to make notes, और उसका एक group बन गया, because in school she never got any friend. She was always alone. Let it be primary school, let it be 11th and 12th, she was all alone on this. एक दो बच्चियां होती थी जो थोड़ी इसके लिए कंसिडरेट हो जाती थी, but I just cannot call them friends. But in college, the चीज बिल्कुल अलग थी. They were not like arrogant kids. It's a combination. सभी जगह से बच्चे आते हैं. कुछ मुंबई के हैं, कुछ आउट ऑफ मुंबई के भी बच्चे थे. And उन्होंने they accepted Nehal like anything. Nehal was a part of a group जिसमें चार लड़कियां और एक लड़का था. And they were so open. कभी वो नहीं आते थे तो Nehal used to be the first one to click photo of the notes and send them. वो जैसे ही घर आएगी बैग रख के सबसे पहले फोटो क्लिक करके टुडे रवीना वाज एब्सेंट, आई विल सेंड हर नोट्स, बट से नोट्स विल गो टू रवीना. So when she started doing that, she also started getting it. क्योंकि प्रैक्टिकल्स में IBSC IT में प्रैक्टिकल्स वर डिफिकल्ट. मैं उसको पढ़ाती थी, बट फॉर मी आल्सो आई एम आल्सो नॉट IT पर्सन, ऑल्दो आई एम इंजीनियर, बट आई एम नॉट IT पर्सन. बट स्टिल पढ़ के जो मैं उसको प्रैक्टिकल कराती थी वो उतने अच्छे से नहीं होते थे. तो वो फ्रेंड्स उसको इतनी हेल्प करते थे. वो बकायदा उसके पास वो आ जाएगा, व्हाट्सएप पे आ जाएगा. एंड इट वाज जो स्टूडेंट लाइफ सही मायने में नेहल ने जी है, ओनली इन कॉलेज.
Yes, that's true. I mean, I fully agree with you, because I think we can give a, I mean, statement to the newer parents that please consider college. It's not so bad. I mean, it's just something projected that they'll be ragged and all. Even my experience was not so bad. So it's perfectly all right if you not to overprotect your child and make sure that he's or she is going to continue in a school for 11th grade. Let them get, if they're getting admission in a mainstream college, why not? We should take that plunge, I think. Okay.
It's a new generation of the kids.
Yeah.
They are more mature.
Yeah,
They
they're more aware. They're more aware.
More aware.
Right.
So it's
Right,
not
right.
that they are going to tease. And secondly, as such, हमारे बच्चों को थोड़ा ना थोड़ा तो लाइफ में भी झेलना ही है. So
Right.
let's prepare for it ना.
Exactly.
तो जॉब में तो ज्यादा कॉम्पिटिटिव लोग होते हैं कि why they are getting benefit, why we are not getting benefit. So वो सब झेलना ही है. So let them थोड़ा सा push अभी कर दें.
And I'm sure the mainstream professors are also very understanding and helpful. I mean, they definitely helped out. I mean, it definitely helped my own son. So I'm sure they must have helped Nehal also to that extent. There was no way they, I mean, they say, okay, this child is a special child. He doesn't need. In fact, they were very helpful. Whenever we've approached, we've already got the support that we requested them for. Tell us something about how the, sorry?
I missed one more point. There was one parent, like one autistic kid who was senior to Nehal, and their parents were so nice. Then they helped us in everything, including his notes, including the notes which Papa made, his father made. They gave to us. So my point is कि जब हमको help मिल रही है, हमें दूसरों को देना है. मतलब we should not just अगर वो मुझे notes नहीं देते तो मुझे तो नहीं पता था कि उसके पापा ने notes बनाए हैं. बट वो पूरी चीज उन्होंने हमें पास ऑन की, एंड हम दूसरे को पास ऑन करते हैं, एंड इट शुड स्टॉप एट एनी पॉइंट.
Absolutely, that's right. I mean, since we've put on so much effort and all in making these notes, why not share it with others? I mean, there's nothing to hide and keep it with us. I mean, it's over. Once your child is through, share it with others. And if you also put in your extra effort, you will also get your notes and you can share it to the next next batch which comes up, right?
How much you did? Man, you scanned all notes and you have shared with everyone. It was such
I mean, I had already made them and they were all on the computer, so I just had to share them. I didn't have to scan them again. It was already done, because one way, like, since my son was a visual learner, I used to color code and make his question answers, and they were all typed. So he learned everything from the typewritten material, which had a larger font. So it was faster and easier for him than the black and white thing, which we have to go, and his handwritten. Sometimes his handwriting was not good. So that was the reason I did that. Anyway, tell us about Vedika and Nehal's relation. How did you break the news to Vedika as to her, I mean, her elder sister is on the spectrum, and how did she take it?
Vedika was like, she is 5.5 years younger to Nehal.
Okay.
it was like always she was knowing कि नेहाल अलग है, मतलब हमें कभी ऐसा बताना नहीं पड़ा कि नेहाल स्पेक्ट्रम में है, because जब भी वैदिका जब born हुए then we switched to हिंदी. पहले we were only talking in English, तो हमको ऐसा था कि हमारे दूसरे बच्चे को तो हिंदी बहुत अच्छे से आना चाहिए because that is our mother tongue. So because of Vedika, Nehal also learned Hindi, क्योंकि Vedika के आने के पहले से Nehal was protective for her. मतलब she cared like anything for me when I was pregnant. And then जब Vedika born हुए तो Nehal ने हमें इतना परेशान कर दिया क्योंकि Vedika रो ही नहीं सकते थे. अगर वो रो रहे हैं तो ये उससे ज्यादा सुर लगा के रोने लगते थे. अब नेहल को चुप कराओ कि वेदिका को चुप कराओ. And when she started standing, Vedika started standing, ये crawling. She used to take a pillow and used to crawl behind Vedika कि ये लुढ़केगी तो पिलो पे लुढ़के, उसको चोट नहीं लगे. जब भी वो खड़ी होती थी तो नेहल उसको जोर से बिठा देती थी कि गिर जाएगी. तब नेहल was always very protective for her. And Vedika joined a team with Papa, Mama and Vedika for Nehal. For all the therapies, for all the plays, she was always there. वो तो 4 की टीम होनी है तो वो तो होना ही है उनको. तो ऐसा कभी भी नहीं हुआ. एंड when her friends started coming to our house, so it was not that कि वैदिका नेहल से नहीं मिलाएगी, नेहल भी उनके साथ ही होगी. एंड नेहल used to be like quite jealous कि इसकी फ्रेंड्स आती हैं, मेरी फ्रेंड्स क्यों नहीं आ सकती हैं. तो वो झांकते रहते थे कि मतलब ये क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या खेल रहे हैं. बट वैदिका ऐसा कभी नहीं होता था कि वैदिका उसको हाइड कर रही है. एंड 6th स्टैंडर्ड में स्कूल में she has to write one essay for her family. So in that she wrote about Nehal, that my sister is autistic, and she wrote such nice paragraphs about her. इतना अच्छा लिखा. And we came to know that. हाँ, she didn't tell us. वो स्कूल में उन्होंने डिस्प्ले बोर्ड पे डिस्प्ले किया. एंड देन आफ्टर मतलब वो जब शायद सारी बुक्स उसकी मिली होंगी, देन आई रेड दैट एंड इट वाज सो टचिंग. लाइक शी एक्सेप्टेड एंड शी वाज सो प्राउड ऑफ हर. इज वो हमने तो नहीं बोला उसको लिखने को, उसने ऑन हर ओन शी रोट, शी सबमिटेड एट स्कूल. एंड इट वाज लाइक यस, शी इज very much fine about it and she's rather proud of her. My sister did this, like abhi to she's like her photographer. Nehal is all into like stone painting and fashion. Madam Krishna hota hai and Vedika is always there to click her photograph. She's her support. Like जो guidance है, जो she taught Nehal so many things. Yesterday, what happened during dinner time? There was bhatte ka bharta. Nehal was not ready to eat, and mangoes. So Nehal said, "I am having body ache." So Manka, then don't eat. Eat as much as you want. Then Radhika said, "Look, mummy, I taught her pretty well. She for mangoes, she will not say I am having a body ache." Then I asked Nehal, "Mangoes खाओगी?" Yeah, Manka, now that you had body ache, you're not feeling like eating anything. So Manka, okay, look, I am a good teacher. I taught her to be cunning. So
That's such a sweet incident.
yeah, she taught her jealousy. After Vedika only, so many emotional things came with the Nehal.
Right.
Learning, being jealous, being competitive, and being cunning.
Yes. That's really good. Did Vedika ever have any issues in normally what happens is the elder child goes to a school and the younger one also goes to the same school. Now here Nehal was going to one school and you all have put Vedika in another school. Did she ever miss having an elder sibling in the same school or something? Or she was okay with going to the other school?
We did it intentionally.
Sorry? Yeah, okay.
We did it intentionally. We enrolled both the kids in 2 different schools because I was knowing कि ऐसा तो कोई दिन आएगा कि नेहल स्कूल में कुछ करेंगे and then Vedika को बोला जाएगा, look, your sister is doing this. So Vedika can feel little ashamed because वो एक होती है, second, third and growing age होती है, बच्चे बहुत जल्दी शहर में चले जाते हैं. And then they हो सकता है कि वो नेहल को डिसलाइक करने लगे कि because of नेहल आया मुझे ये सब सुनना पड़ता है.
Right.
School में all the kids are not going to say, wow, you are Nehal's sister. No. So maximum of them will सामने के सामने कुछ बोलेंगे कि your sister did this, you know this. तो वो मैं नहीं होना चाहती थी. आई वांटेड दैट रिस्पेक्ट टू रिमेन कि हाँ अभी दोनों की लाइफ इंटरफेयर नहीं कर रही है एक दूसरे की लाइफ से. दोनों के फ्रेंड सर्कल मतलब दोनों अलग अलग जगह जा रहे हैं. तो ओनली घर इज द कॉमन प्लेस एंड घर में तो सब चलता है. घर में क्या परेशानी. सो नथिंग टू बी अशेम्ड. तो एंड जब घर में नेहल छोटे थे उस समय वो जो चिल्लाते हैं जब बहुत जोर से चिल्लाते थे जब उनको फ्रस्ट्रेशन होता था. तो हम लोग शुरू में तो वी यूज्ड टू फील वेरी बैड. देन वी थॉट भाड़ में जाने दो. किसी को सुनना है तो सुनने दो. एंड व्हेन दैट अप्रोच केम तो नेहल ने चिल्लाना कम कर दिया क्योंकि वो टूल वाज नॉट वर्किंग नाउ. पहले वो टूल वर्क करता था बिकॉज वो चिल्लाते थे और हम तुरंत रिएक्ट करते थे. नाउ टूल तो काम ही नहीं कर रहा. मम्मा पापा को तो फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा. अपने आप उनका चिल्लाना कम हो गया. सो समटाइम्स जब हम हाइड करते हैं तो वो इशू बन जाता है. और जब हम
Right.
छोड़ देते हैं कि करो करना है तो ठीक है करो. तो फॉर अदर किड फॉर बालिका आल्सो ठीक है. चिल्ला रहे हैं तो दरवाजा बंद करके चिल्लाओ. ठीक है ओके. सो शी इज आल्सो फाइन विद इट. हम लोग के साथ वो भी बड़े हो गए एंड नाउ शी इज मोर मैच्योर देन अस.
Right. Good.
बिकॉज ऑफ नेहल अपने एज के दूसरे बच्चों से वो बहुत अच्छी है. बहुत ज्यादा टच हो रहा है.
Yes.
वो just because of Neha.
Okay.
She's more caring, more understanding, more considerate.
Now that Nehal has graduated and she secured a job in a multinational company, how did you arrange, or rather manage to train her for the shift from the college life to a work environment?
Actually, right now that she joined somewhere in November, so it's work from home as of now.
Yeah.
But it's not it's not a matter of concern for us because in between in fifth semester she has done internships at
Okay.
different places, and she knows how corporates work.
Okay.
So that way, we are not like it's not. I don't think it would be difficult for Nehal to adapt.
He's not thinking, but I'm not hoping. It should not happen. I'm praying for that because you working from home and going to office is like quite different.
Right.
But now she because of this period working from home she is mentally prepared क्योंकि कभी कभी ऑनलाइन डांट पड़ती है. तो शी इज मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट कि हाँ ये भी होता है. शी कीप्स ऑन आस्किंग मी कि मुझे डांट पड़ी आपको भी पड़ती थी क्या. आपको भी पड़ती है क्या. फिर मैं थोड़ा बड़ा चढ़ा के मेरे बॉस ने तो आज मुझे ऐसे डांटा वैसे डांटा एंड ही सेड लाइक दिस. तो शी बहुत ही इंटरेस्ट से सुनते हैं. तो ऑफिस में बेसिकली आपको सीखना क्या है. एक तो आपका बिहेवियर थोड़ा अप्रोप्रिएट रहे कि आप दूसरों को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करें. दैट विद टाइम फ्रॉम स्कूल एंड कॉलेज दीज किड्स हैव लर्न. एंड सेकेंडली जो आपको काम दिया जा रहा है उसको आई डोंट नो क्या काम देंगे वो तो अब व्हेन ऑफिस विल स्टार्ट दैट टाइम इट विल दे विल टेल अस. बट उसके लिए हमें ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा. उसको वो भी जो भी काम देते हैं हम अगर सोच के कि जॉब लग गया चैप्टर ओवर. नो दिस चैप्टर इज नेवर गोइंग टू बी ओवर. नेवर. एवरी डे वो जो भी दिन भर उसका ट्रेनिंग चल रहा है वो जो भी दिन भर ट्रेनिंग करती है वो उसके नोट्स बनाती है. वो नोट्स को हम शाम को ट्राई करते हैं कि मैं उसको एक्सप्लेन करूं. मुझे मालूम है कि उसमें से उसको 10% समझ में आ रहा होगा क्योंकि टू मच ऑफ लैंग्वेज नहीं समझ में आ रही होती उसको.
Right.
ट्राई क्योंकि मुझे भी मालूम है कि वो जो नोट्स हैं या जो वो ट्रेनिंग है इवन हम जब सुनते हैं तो हमारा भी ग्रास्पिंग 25% से ज्यादा नहीं होता है. So I expect 10% from her. That too when I explain to her. From that video, I don't expect much from her. Because if it is Excel or if it's some package, it's some application, it's easier. But when you talk and talk and talk, then for our kids, it's very difficult. It's very so. Luckily, she is good in making notes. From college, she learned it. She make notes, and then we try to discuss those things. But every day, अभी भी हमारा टाइम उसके अंदर वो बड़ी हो गई है तो हमें ये नहीं सोचना है कि अब हमें उसके साथ काम नहीं करना है. नो नो नो.
You have to.
We
Yes,
have to.
it is an ongoing process. Okay, can we have the video on Nehal's stone painting, Priyanka? Can we have the video, please?
Sure.
Wow, that's so beautiful and so intricately done. Some of them I'm really, I love them, you know. Tell us something about how she developed this hobby of painting on stones. I mean, not something which everyone takes up.
Uh, it happens totally by coincidence. Xavier's has a system, and we are thankful to that system. They have to have extracurricular credits, without which they don't give degree certificate to the students. So there are few hours which need to be completed in the 3 year duration. So this happened during the first semester. As soon as Nehal got admission in Xavier's, there was a workshop under ECC program. ECC is
We have
basically
workshops running.
extracurricular credits. So they have painting, movie, drama, a lot of things. So stone painting is the one which they had somewhere in the month of August, September 2017, which was the first time of Nihal. So Nihal did there, and she somehow got a hang of it. Ki I can do. Then we also brought some stones and gave her as to do. So that is how it started. And once she does, once she started doing, it was easier for her. The best part with Nehal was, and lot of our kids, once they sit and start doing something, their focus is like we are not that focused, which our kids are when it comes to something which is of interest to them. So Nehal used to sit for hours together once she started making 5 hours, 6 hours. She's not even getting up for loo. So she used to start and finish most intricate designs in that duration. So dhire, a lot of things started happening, and she picked up this, and now she has her own website, Insta page, Facebook shop, her YouTube channel, and so she is also
Luckily,
very.
she's getting corporate orders also. So, and then with the extended timeline, because it takes time to make each and every piece. Each and every piece is different. So then, like she gets time, and then in that time she supplies. And usme every day after office, 5:30 office gets over, 5:35 that girl will be with her paints and brush. जब भी मैं घर में एंटर होंगी तब तक तो कुछ हो चुका होगा आधा अधूरा. एंड देन शी कीप ऑन सेंडिंग मी फोटो, अभी कैसा लग रहा है, अब कैसा लग रहा है. एंड तो शी इज फॉन्ड ऑफ इट. एंड लाइक उससे क्या हो रहा है कि शी इज गेटिंग सो मच ऑफ मोटिवेशन बिकॉज पीपल आर लाइकिंग इट. एंड थ्रू व्हाट्सएप, थ्रू फेसबुक, शी इज गेटिंग लाइक प्रेजेस. तो हमारे बच्चों को पॉजिटिव मोटिवेशन मिलता है ना, तो वो बाकी बिहेवियर में भी शो करता है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस शी इज गेटिंग ऑल लाइक everybody is like wow Nehal. So and now she is such a good marketing person. वो जैसे ही बनेगा वो उनके सारे ग्रुप्स में जाएगा, and then for every festival she'll make customized stone painting and send. So that because of this she is getting that positive kick to perform in other वो. And time भी किसी unproductive चीज में नहीं जा रहा है कि कोई वीडियो गेम खेल रहे हैं या मतलब she is doing good.
Great. It's
And
really good, that she's doing something which is she's passionate about and she wants to do it. It's great. It's absolutely great. Okay. Tell me, do you all have any hobbies and do you get time for your own hobbies, both of you all?
We stone paint, assisting her in doing stone painting is our hobby now.
That's become your hobby now. That's good. And Seema, you too.
And there also we have because our default thing is ki we keep on dividing work between ourselves. So I am basically the stone sourcer.
Okay.
I go and search stones for her. Like it almost half a day is gone when I go and search stones, because I go and pick single stones
Okay.
for her as to what different shapes are there, what different sizes are there, what can be used for which. So I am good at that kind of visualization. So that and rest all part, whenever Nehal wants any support when it comes to painting, if there is anything which needs to be done, so Seema is very good in that.
he's good in packing also.
It's so nice to hear that you actually go around sourcing for the stones. Fantastic, Anupam. That's really good. And lastly, what message would you like to give the junior parents about your journey? A take-home thing.
There are a lots. So I'll just take.
Yeah, go ahead.
Because I'll just take few minutes. I have noted down few things.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
At times it becomes difficult to cover each and everything.
And sometimes it is difficult to talk when your wife is around.
That is a challenge. The first and foremost is the earlier you accept that your child has autism, the better it is, because the journey starts that early. And first of all is to accept yourself, and second is to disclose. We should not be ashamed. It's not children's fault or our fault that we have a son or a daughter with a disability. It is a condition which can happen to anyone. So we need to be open about it. We need to share. There is no harm in sharing. The world is so good. The world is so good that you don't know from which quarters you get assistance, from which quarter you get guidance. Our experience has been, apart from that 1 year at school, that also a few individuals. In case if we count for the last 22 years, Nehal is with us, we have hardly met 2 or 3 people who are bad. Rest all are so nice human beings. If people say this world is not a place to live, we totally take a contrarian view. This world is the place we need to live. We get support, admiration, encouragement, guidance. You talk to anyone, there are people who are going to support you, going to help you in whatever you are doing. There are quarters, there are unexpected help which comes from the quarters you least expect. There is so much available. The parents are so good. We have also taken a lot of guidance from a lot of parents. You are aware, lot of things we come to know, because there are few common things which mostly happen with all the children.
One
And
more thing I want to add with Anupam. We both are working, and Nehal used to be with me in crèche, like in office only. I work for MTNL, so in our office only we have crèche. So on the same floor, my chamber was there and crèche was there. So मैंने किसी को बताया नहीं था, एंड जब नेहल वहाँ स्क्रीन करते थे तो वो पूरे फ्लोर पे आवाज आती थी, जब कभी किसी दिन कुछ उनको नाराजगी हो गई तो वो मैं अपने ऑफिस में आंसू भरे बैठी रहती थी, इतना परेशान कि आज तो मैं किसी को फेस नहीं दिखा सकती। इतना स्ट्रेस था मुझे, एंड द डे आई डिसाइडेड कि नहीं, वो जो भी है अब सबको बताएंगे, एंड कोई उसमें छुपाने वाली बात नहीं है। मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है, मेरे बच्चे ने कुछ नहीं किया। द डे आई टोल्ड इन द अवर क्रैश मीटिंग ऐसा ऐसा है, एंड माय चाइल्ड इज डिफरेंट एंड शी इज नॉट गोइंग टू ट्रबल एनीबॉडी, बट शी इज डिफरेंट। सो उस दिन से वो जो एक मेरे सर के ऊपर से बर्डन था वो हट गया, एंड फ्रॉम दैट डे ओनली we started disclosing to others, जैसा अनुपम disclosed in his office. So what happened, जो बच्चों के पेरेंट्स जिनके बच्चों को या जिनके पहचान के बच्चों को दिक्कत थी, दे स्टार्टेड अप्रोचिंग अस टू फॉर गाइडेंस। सो हो सकता है हमारे गाइडेंस ने उन्हें कुछ हेल्प की हो, कुछ नहीं तो उनकी परिस्थितियों ने हमें हेल्प की समझने की, या ऐसा भी हो सकता है, ये दिक्कत भी आ सकती है, वो दिक्कत भी आ सकती है। So we got prepared for it. So be open. It's okay.
One more thing which I want to add here is we need to have uh, faith in God, irrespective of the religion, whichever religion you follow, because that faith gives us confidence and courage to face the things coming forward, because it is required. It is required. Second most important thing is coming from the earlier point which I told regarding getting assistance from a lot of people. The second most important, first most important is faith. The second most important thing is trust. You need to trust people. There will be a lot of people who there are, it's not as if people are not there to disclose, they're not able to help. There are a lot of people who help. You need to trust them as to what they are telling. You need to listen to them, you need to trust them, and be open to them, which gives you courage to open your mind to the places which are least explored. There are a lot of times it has happened that people have given us ideas which we thought initially very crazy, but then it helped us a lot. So this is something which I wanted to share. One more thing which I'm very firm about is, since the time we grow up, we are all neurotypicals. We have all grown up with our parents. We have our ambitions. I want to do this in life. I want to do that in life. I want to study this. I want to study that. I want to do this job. I want to do that job. I want to earn so much. When we are passionate about the things which are our own, when it concerns to own, this is our child. We need to have that kind of passion. In case if we want to progress in job, we need to put so much of efforts. When we have to progress in job, we have to get promotions. This is our child, a boy or a girl. We need to be focused and passionate about this is our responsibility. We need to take it hands on, and the way we put our heart and soul in our offices, in our businesses, the same we need to do with our children. If we can do it there, if we have been doing it all through our lives, why it is difficult for us to do when it's our own child? We need to follow that kind of determination. We need to have that kind of determination, that kind of focus, that kind of dedication. And we have all seen in our lifetimes, if we put on effort, the results come.
It's all days are not same.
All days are not same. One more thing adding on to that is, me and Seema, we have a concept of incremental happiness, because everything what our child does, our special child does, the child with autism gives us happiness. With a neurotypical child, there are 4, 5, 6, 10 times when you become happy. With our special children, with the children with disabilities, with autistic children, if even they do small things, that gives us happiness. That brings smiles on our face, and that becomes a motivation for us to be exactly the same way, to be prepared for the next day what we were doing the previous day before, a day before. So these are few things which I thought. One more important thing is, yes, I sorry, I'm. This is most important thing which we have been following. See, Nehal is 22 years old. The parents who have younger children, we just wanted to share with them, we have tried everything. We need to differentiate between a condition or a disorder and a disease. Our child is not sick. You give medicines, or you do Ayurveda, or you do homeopathy, or you do this, or you do that, so that will this thing will get cured. It's not a disease. It's not fever. You take crocin and get cured. It's a condition. With condition or disability, we need to work. We need to work hard. We need to be focused. We need to be determined, and we need to work continuously. And definitely, the good days are ahead. There is no doubt. Once we put on efforts, the results are bound to come. So let us not. We have wasted a lot of money listening to people that do this medicine, that
We also
medicine.
did all foolish things. So उससे समझ में आ गया कि there is no point in doing that. कुछ भी नहीं, only and only work helps. Only work with your child, keep attitude positive. होता है and कभी कभी नहीं होता है, बहुत दिन तक नहीं होता है, कोई ब्रेक थ्रू नहीं मिलता है. एक मैं आई रिमेम्बर आई वाज वर्किंग विद हर ऑन WH क्वेश्चंस एंड एवरीथिंग केम थ्रू. हम लोग ने डायरी भर के, शी वाज 6.5 years old, डायरी भर के WH क्वेश्चंस किए. who, when, what, मैं एक एक सेंटेंस देती थी, like Ramu went to market to buy apple, so who went, where he went, all that, and she was through in it. And one fine day सब चला गया, total goal. Na why, na who. I cried for hours together. बिस्तर पे गिर गिर के I cried कि ये मेरा पूरा 6 months की मेहनत कहाँ चली गई. And then I left that day. फिर 5-6 दिन बाद दोबारा थोड़ा सा cry, and then it came back in 10 days. It came back in 10 days. But वो उस जब वो गई थी तब तो मुझे नहीं पता था कि वो 10 दिन में आ जाएगा वापस. तो एक स्किल कभी कभी गायब हो जाता है, बट वो फिर बहुत कम वर्क करने पे दोबारा आ जाता है. सो इट्स नॉट दैट कि मतलब रास्ता टफ है. And one more thing, कि whenever you get lead, take it seriously. Like for Nehal's job, we got lead through FFA. FFA में advertisement आया, and we enrolled her for that. Like वो form हमने fill up किया, and then there were interview process. 5 interviews were there, and then luckily she got through. So my point is कि just जो आपको link मिलती है, तो just go through it, और उसको हर लिंक को इग्नोर मत करो, और जो लिंक आपको सही लगती है just उस पे एक्ट ऑन इट.
So nice to hear you all, and it's inspiring. I'm sure a lot of parents will be inspired, and I think we are getting a lot of chats. It was very inspiring to hear both of you all, and definitely I think, yeah, there is no shortcut. You have to actually put in a lot of effort. Yeah, all days are not the same. Some days are worse, and you have to put in even double effort than what you have done before, and that's the way it is. Thank you, Anupam and Seema. It was nice talking to you. Thank you very much.
Thanks
Thank
a
you so
lot.
much. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.